excited about today.
I know, right? And I've been looking forward to this whole day.
What about you guys? Are you all excited?
Wow, I can definitely feel the energy coming from our audience. Did you feel that too, Minnie?
Oh, absolutely. Their energy is so unbelievable.
And to everyone watching us here and at home, thank you for spending your time with us today.
Trust me, you're in for a great treat. Because today we will be interviewing a lot of people who succeed in their lives.
From music to pageantry and business to leadership, each of our guests has an inspiring story to tell.
So without further ado,
Minnie J,
why mean you guys? Did I did something wrong?
I think you're just moving too fast. We can't start the energy without getting everyone's energy up first.
I think you're right, Ninjai. So, to kick things off, let's start with an amazing performance.
Please welcome our amazing girl group, the Nancy!
And we're hoping for more performances to go.
It's an honor to have you here as well, and it definitely showed that you were all on fire up there, right, audience?
Also, are you planning to release some new album soon, or are you doing something, or are you already you have plans or what?
We're actually working on something right now, so hopefully we can share it soon.
Oh, really? That's exciting.
Yeah.
We'll look forward to it, right, Minnie J?
Yeah, Minujai, we'll definitely be waiting.
Once again, let's give a big round of applause to our amazing girl group.
The day is just getting started, but before we continue, we will have a quick break.
So don't go anywhere because we will be right back.
This is the Minion Talk Show.
Energize, Milo every day, and do chop moves like a rock.
Energize, celebrate and jump away. Energy, energy, got energy, got Milo every day, Milo every day. Suddenly looking by the energy, got Milo every day, Milo every day.
Drink Milo every day and help with energy gap, like a champ.
And we're back! If you're joining us, you're watching the Minion Talk Show.
That short break may have recharged our energy, but now it's time to recharge your minds with inspiration.
Because today isn't just about performances.
It's about real stories, real struggles, and real success.
From the stage to the real world, our next guests didn't just dream.
They worked hard, faced challenges, and turned those dreams into reality.
So if you got inspired by that performance earlier,
Get ready to be even more inspired by the people we're about to meet.
we've met individuals who showed us that success can come from determination, leadership, and hard work.
But success also comes from passion, the courage to share your ideas, your talent, and your skills to others.
Today, we're gonna hear the story of someone who turns emotions into music and stories into unforgettable performances.
Someone who proves that a voice is not just heard, it can touch hearts and create connections.
So get ready as we welcome our first guest,
Singer and performer,
Shaira Introso!
Think that I wasn't fine enough. I used to think that I wasn't well enough. But I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What this all about? And I can't believe you hurting me. I met you, girl, was different. What you seen, have you only seen in me? But I can't see what's all just make believe. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we started kissing, I found. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we started kissing,
what an amazing voice! That energy already changed the moment you walked in.
I think everyone is ready for a concert after the entrance.
Shaira, welcome to the show. We're excited to learn more about the person behind that amazing, gorgeous voice.
Many people know you because of your voice, but today, we want to hear the story behind it, the passion, the struggle, the dreams that brought you where you are today.
That's right, Minyu J. I have a question for you, Shaira. When did you realize that singing was something you wanted to pursue?
So I realized it when I noticed how much happiness music brought into my life. Singing became my way of expressing my emotion and connecting with other people. What started as a simple hobby eventually became a dream that I wanted to share with the world.
That's beautiful, Shaira. Sometimes the things that we enjoy can be a lot more bigger in the future.
Yeah, and it's amazing how your passion became a purpose.
Being a singer means performing on stage and face a lot of criticism as an artist, but we want to know, how do you handle it? Like the criticism of other people, like the judging, stuff like that.
So I remind myself why I started, and I accept constructive criticism because it helps me improve. But I also make sure that I am true to myself and my style because every experience teaches me something new.
Okay, that's really heartwarming. That takes a lot of courage, dear, because not everyone can accept criticism
Yeah.
and still stay confident in their lives, diba? Minyu J?
Joy. Because what makes an artist special is the uniqueness they bring.
Yeah, and that's exactly why your fans are still supporting you within this day. And of course, everyone wants to know, speaking of fans, everyone wants to know what can your fans expect from you in the future. Are there any projects or songs incoming?
Upcoming songs? Are you very
Yes. Oh my
excited?
god. I am so excited to announce that my album, Internal Sunshine, is officially out now. You can stream it on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and other digital platforms worldwide. Thank you so much guys for all your support and I hope you will like it. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.
Let's hear a question from our audiences. I know that some of you here.
Okay, the girl in the blue dress with bangs, please stand. What's your name?
My name is Jasmine.
Yes. And what is your question to this amazing lady?
So, what advice can you give to aspiring singers who dream of becoming artists?
So, thank you. For those who want to become a singer or an artist, my advice is believe in yourself and never stop improving. Talent is only the beginning. Hard work, patience, and dedication are what help you grow. Don't be afraid to share your voice because your voice is worth telling.
Inspiring message to everyone who has a dream, and I believe you've inspired many people watching right now. So before we end your interview, Miss Shera, do you have a final message for everyone right now who's watching?
Especially all of your fans.
Yes.
All I can say is always believe in your talent and never give up on your dreams. Stay positive, keep your focus, and always remember that your voice has the power to inspire others. Thank you so much,
Thank you for sharing your journey and inspiring.
I'm so happy to be here.
We're so happy as well. Thank you. We now move to another inspiring story of confidence, determination, and purpose. Because success isn't only about talent, it is also believing in yourself and having the courage to stand out. Our next guest represents grace, intelligence, and confidence on a global stage. A woman who proved that with hard work and self-belief, dreams can become a reality. Everyone, get ready as we welcome our next guest, our very own Miss Universe winner, Ayesha Escabusa.
To be on in love with you, you're something.
Ayesha, that title has already says so much. The confidence, the elegance, and especially the presence.
Yeah, and I know that that confidence didn't just appear overnight.
Yes, because we all know behind that beautiful walk is full of hard work and challenges.
Speaking about challenges, let's talk about that. What was one of the biggest challenges you faced on your way becoming to the Miss Universe?
One of the biggest challenges I faced was dealing with self-doubt. There were moments when I questioned if I was good enough, especially so many expectations from me. But I learned to trust myself, stay focused, and keep going even when things felt uncertain.
Yeah, I think a lot of us can relate to that. Self-doubt is never easy,
Yeah.
right, Pinyo J?
Yeah, but fact that you pushed through it is truly amazing, Nia.
It's inspiring to see how you choose to believe in yourself and inspire others. So, yeah, I have a question for you because I think everyone is curious on this. With everything that you've experienced as a Miss Universe Queen, as a person who deals with pageants, many pageants, what truly makes a woman a queen?
For me, being a queen isn't just about how you look. It's about how you carry yourself, how you treat others, and how you use your voice to influence and uplift people.
So it's really about the character and not just appearance, no? Because many people out there or many young girls always focusing on their appearance, like and not on their attitude, like that.
Yeah, yes, because mostly young women out there are fitting into this standard. They're more aware of their appearance, but not their character.
Speaking about young women, what message can you give to the young women watching you right now?
I want them to know that they don't have to fit someone else's standards. Your uniqueness is your strength. Believe in yourself and don't be afraid to go after your dreams.
The wonderful message, Lina.
That's right. Now let's hear a question from our audience.
Who want to raise a question? I know that a lot of people here are so curious about the life of Mia. The boy in the red suit. What's your name?
Boon. How do you stay confident under pressure?
Thank you for that question. I take a deep breath, I stay present and remind myself why I started. That helps me stay grounded and focused.
Yeah, simple but powerful. A lot of people really needs to hear that.
Yes, but before we move on, do you have a final message for everyone?
Yes. True beauty is not about being perfect. It's about being confident in who you are.
Inspiring words. Thank you for being here with us tonight.
From confidence and grace on this global stage. Let's give a round of applause to our Miss Universe winner.
Let's now shift to a different kind of success.
One that builds through hard work, discipline, and determination.
Our next guest proves that success can come from small beginnings.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome millionaire businessman
Aaron Ifondo! Mr. Aaron!
Sir Aaron, it's an honor to have you here.
I feel like I should start saving money just by sitting next to you. Sir Aaron, speaking of beginnings, can we go back to the beginning? How did you start your journey?
So, way back, I was a student and also a fast food worker. It was hard going to school without breakfast and sleeping without dinner. But the money that I collected, I saved it up to buy properties and be a real estate agent. That's what led me here.
That really shows that success doesn't always start big.
From student in the morning and then didn't have dinner every night. It's so harsh.
From having multiple companies and properties.
Yeah, I hear now like from here to here.
It starts with a mindset really. So I have a question since me and Minyo Jay are really curious of this.
You wanna be a millionaire too soon?
What habits help you stay on track, especially during difficult times?
I always think about discipline. It kept me going. There were times that I almost gave up, but through discipline, I kept going. I keep getting the work done. Yeah, that's all.
So that's really a real talk, no? Doing the work even when it's hard, that's really inspiring.
Consistency really builds success. Because if you're not consistent within your goal, you won't achieve success, right?
But speaking about success, what advice can you give to people who's starting their business and want to succeed in life?
I think don't be afraid to fail. Every mistake could be a lesson to be learned. So let us learn, adjust, and let the process go on. Keep striving to be a better version of yourself.
Okay, so failure is really part of success.
Does anyone here have a question about our audiences? Yeah, the girl with the black jacket. What's your name?
Lisa. What do you do when your business fails?
When my business fails, I take time to know what went wrong and try to improve that mistake. Thank you.
That message really inspired others, and
Yeah.
you really need to hear that.
That's something everyone needs
Yeah.
to hear. Before we move on, Sir Aaron, do you have a final message for everyone?
Yeah, I do have a quote. It goes by, until the hunger for greatness overcomes the fear of mediocrity. Meaning, keep pushing hard for greatness. Until the fear of being average or comfortable with your life is overcome. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Sir Eric. From building success in business, let's now move to leadership and service. Our last guest is someone who dedicates her life to helping others and making a difference in the community. A leader who believes that success is measured by the lives you impacted. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our lovely, most hardworking President, Bian Serrano! You're so gorgeous now, oh my God. I'm so overwhelmed right now, oh my gosh. I feel like I should be a leader. Miss President, welcome to the show. It's really an honor to have you here. Behind the title of being a president, it's a journey filled with challenges, sacrifices, and a strong purpose. Tonight, we want to know more about your experiences, your leadership, the values that guide you. That's right, Mr. President. What inspired you to pursue leadership and dedicate yourself to serving others?
I was inspired to make a difference in people's life because I believe that leadership is not being above others, but about standing with them, listening to their needs, and working towards a better future.
That's a meaningful perspective, ma'am. A true leader really begins with the willingness to serve, and not just about the money and their attitude, right? Right, Minu Jai?
That's right, PJ. And it shows that your journey was built on purpose and not just position, because we all know that leadership is not about power.
Yeah.
It's about you serving other people and guiding
Speaking
others.
about serving people, as a president, I know that you face many responsibilities in life, difficult decisions to make, right? So, what qualities do you think that a true leader should have?
Qualities. So, a great leader should have honesty, courage, and compassion. A leader must be willing to listen, understand different perspectives, and make decisions that benefit a lot of people.
Those qualities truly define a strong leader. From honesty pa lang, di ba, CJ?
Yeah, Minu Jai, because leadership is not only about serving others, it's also about understanding them, understanding their problem, their needs.
I couldn't agree more. But for the young people watching tonight, Mr. President, what message would you like to share with them?
Message. So I want the youth to believe in themselves and remember that their voice matters and they can create a positive impact through their actions, choices, and dedications.
That's truly inspiring, ma'am. The future is definitely shaped by the next generation. Speaking about next generation, I know that some people here watching right now are young students. Does anybody want to raise a question? Yeah, the girl in the pink.
So, Miss President, what is one simple way young people can contribute to their community?
Thank you so much. So they can start in small actions by helping others, stay informed, and respect everyone. And of course, participate in those activities that would make their community better.
Yeah, that's a great reminder that even small actions can create a big impact. Just by helping others, di ba?
So before we end your interview, ma'am, do you have a final message for everyone that's watching you right now?
Final message. So, leadership is not measured by the title that you hold, but by the lives that you touch. A leader must serve honesty, courage, and commitment. So, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am, for your work.
What an incredible day it has been! We heard stories of passion, determination, leadership, and success from our amazing guests.
From a singer who showed her
that everything is possible. To our lovely guests, thank you for inspiring others and sharing your stories tonight. And to our audience, thank you for joining us and being a part of this amazing show. Remember, success is not about reaching the top.
It's always about the journey, the lessons, and the people that you inspire all along.
We are your hosts. I'm Mimi J. And I'm Mimi Jai.
And this is
The Media Talk Show.